Lift your hands and just worship him. He deserves the glory. He deserves the honor. Come on, worship. Open your mouth and begin to speak to him. Come on, open your mouth and let the Spirit just begin to flow out of you. My heart, my mind, my soul belongs to you. My love, my life, it all belongs to you. Belongs to you. Hey, hey, oh yeah, belongs to you. Come on and sing it with me. My heart, my mind, lift your voice and say it. My heart, my mind, my soul. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Say my love and my it all belongs to you. Hey, belongs to you. Yes, it does. How many's ready to turn everything over to the Lord? Lift your hand and tell him, say, belongs to you. Give it all over. Hey, second voice, this is what we say. The songs, sing it with me. We sing, they all belong to you. They all belong to you. Look at him and tell him, say, the air that I breathe, I breathe. It all yes it does, belong to you. Belong to you. Hey, yes it does. And I give you the glory and the honor, Lord, 'cause it belongs to you. Belongs to you. Yes. Somebody lift your voice in this place. Lift your hands and give God a praise. This is what we're gonna tell him. Say yes. I surrender it all. Tell God yes, yes. I turn it all. In your belly, give God a yes. Say yes. Open your mouth and say it all. It all belongs to you. Say it again, say it again, say it again. Lift your voice and tell God yes. Give God a yes. Yes. I heart, my mind, my soul belongs to you. My love, my life, it all belongs to you. It all belongs. It all belongs. It all belongs. Oh, it all belongs to you. It all belongs to you. Said it all belongs to you. Hey, it all belongs to you. It all belongs to you. It all belongs to you. Every air that we breathe, Lord. Everything that we are, Lord. It all belongs to you. It all belongs to you. Hallelujah.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.